G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the AMD Radeon W7700. So this is part of their creative series. So this is focused on people like me who are always doing things like video editing. So let's jump in and see what's inside. And we're going to open up this AMD Radeon Pro W7700 or 7700. Look, pretty generic box. I mean, there's not a whole lot going on. It's a graphics card, and it's not even a gaming graphics card, so they're not trying to blow you away with LED lights and all that stuff. That was already open, actually. The other side's not. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, so that box is the box. So once you open that up, you're looking at a straight into the action. We've got a foam, hard foam, real dense foam protective layer here. There is something, if you can see that, there is something here. So we can get that out. It looks, oh, this is a manual or something. There it is. So just a bit of paraphernalia really, and a little booklet, hard, thick cardboard. They made this out of really expensive stuff, and it's just safety guideline stuff. All right, and then we're into the action. Okay, let's have a look. Ooh. So, you know, it's not trying, it's just about work, you know, ultimately. Hobbyists as well, I guess. But it's not trying to blow you away by being the most visually spectacular looking graphics card that you can get. Like my 2080 lights up like it's Christmas. So, simple power pin at the end. It's not looking like it's overly demanding in that regard. It's just the one, well, it's taking up two, but just one actual PCIe slot. Just a single fan, which is interesting for something that's gonna, you know, be under load, serious load, but very, very dense metallic case. Like it feels like a genuine, feels like a heatsink. Real solid. Okay, well there you go. So that's what it looks like. I actually think it looks really beautiful. You know, it just looks sleek and powerful. I actually quite like it. That fan's rad, eh? Look at that. It's kind of like a jet plane engine or something like that. Hopefully it doesn't sound like one. We'll find out soon enough. Okay, so there we go. That is the Radeon Pro W7700. Now let's get into some of those other tests and see what she's got to offer. But yeah, otherwise, thank you very much for watching. I'm Chris Stead. Until next time, I'll check you later. You.